أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we will continue our study of fragments. We finished Mudaf ilay yesterday. There are a few topics regarding Mudaf ilay which we will likely cover at a later stage. Another round of Mudaf ilay, inshallah. So today we are starting a new fragment, and that fragment is called Sifah موصوف. Sifah موصوف. What does that really mean? To get an idea of it, if you look at a few fragments here which are written in English: good Muslim, beautiful house, painful punishment, straight path, strange thing. Do you see a pattern here? Do you see something common, a common theme between these statements? I'm gonna ask Taimia. What do you think, Taimia? Taimia is not speaking up. Okay. Um, Let me ask Hiba. Hiba, do you see any pattern
Yeah,
here?
it's like describing a noun. Like good is like a characteristic of a Muslim.
Mm-hmm. So if we say the first word is describing the second word, will that be fine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So the first word is telling us something about, it could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, about the second word. So first word is describing the second word. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Hiba. So you see, Muslim is good, but the good is coming before this word Muslim, and it means good Muslim. The word good is describing the Muslim. Beautiful is describing the house. Painful is describing the punishment. So this is the common theme. So let's use the first fragment in a sentence. He is a good Muslim. When this happens, this word good is called Sifah, or the quality, or the characteristic, if I translate the word Sifah. And the second word, which is Muslim in this case, is called Mawsuf. Mawsuf is the one who is being described. That's the meaning of the word Mawsuf. So Sifa means the quality or the description. And Mawsuf means the one who has that characteristic. The Mawsuf, the one who is being described. So this is simply Sifa Mawsuf in English language. But obviously we have to learn how in how it looks like in Arabic. So I give you the vocabulary. And the task is to translate the sentence, he is a good Muslim, into Arabic language. So he, you already know huwa. Good in Arabic will be salihun. And Muslim is Muslim. You don't have to worry about is a. We don't have to worry about that. So I would get some help to, inshallah, translate this sentence into Arabic language. Okay. Can I ask Brother Muhammad Kabir for this?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Who
All right.
are, yeah,
Go ahead.
who are salihun muslimun.
Good.
Who are muslimun.
No. Stick with that. Stick with
Okay.
that. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Huwa, he's translating in the same order. That's what like somebody who was learning the first time would do. Huwa salihun muslimun. He is. There is no word for is, okay? So Arabs don't use any word for is. So we can just say there is here when we translate in English. He is a good Muslim. Apparently, there is nothing wrong with this sentence. He is a good, Salihun means good, Muslim is Muslim. He is a good Muslim. But the problem is, this is not how the Arabs speak. What do the Arab do? Brother Muhammad, Muhammad Kabir, you are going to mention that. What
So
do
yeah, they will, say the Mausuf first, then Sifah.
Okay, so you are saying they will switch. They will
Yeah.
bring Muslim first,
Yeah.
and its quality or the description will be after.
Right.
You have to switch their spots. So instead of saying huwa salihun muslimun, Arabs would say huwa muslimun salihun. So they flip the order. So in English, I would say they say it like this. He is a Muslim good.
Mhm.
And this is the right way of saying this in Arabic language. So the Mawsuf comes first, and its description, the Sifah, actually comes after. And some people even call this topic Mawsuf Sifah because of the order. But in most of the grammar books, it will be Sifah Mawsuf. That's what I have chosen to use for the title. So again, good, which means Salihun, excuse me, was the Sifah, and Muslimun, which is being described, was the Mawsuf. So I will just label them Mawsuf, Sifah. But this is not all. To call Muslim the Mawsuf and Salihun to be called a Sifah, they have to meet some conditions. I labeled them already over here, but actually we still have to check if they meet those conditions. So I am just writing the Mawsuf, Sifah Mawsuf part only, and now we have to check if it is actually a Sifah Mawsuf. The Mawsuf, the conditions, that the condition is that the Mawsuf and Sifah must match in all their four properties. If they match, then we can say, yeah, they are Sifah Mawsuf. But if they don't, then we cannot call them Sifah Mawsuf. So let's check that out. Let's see if the two words Muslimun and Salihun, they match in terms of their four properties or not. Okay. So I have this table here. We're gonna fill this out and see if Muslimun and Salihun, they pass the four tests. So they have to match with respect to status, with respect to gender, with respect to number and type. And if they pass these four tests, then, I mean, when I say pass, it means they match, they are same. Then they are Sifah Mawsuf, otherwise they will not be that. So Sister Afia, may I request for your help? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. So what is the status of Muslimun? Rafa, Nasab or Jar?
It's Rafa.
Rafa, good. How about salihun?
It's also rafa.
It's also rafa. So they match. So we say first test they pass. How about gender? Muslimun is masculine or feminine?
It's masculine.
Masculine. How about salihun?
It's also masculine.
There is no sign of feminine in it, so
Yes.
it's why masculine. So they match. Good. They pass the second test. Number. Singular, dual, or plural?
Singular.
Singular. How about salihun?
It's also
Singular. So type. Is it a proper noun or common noun?
mm, it's common.
Common. How about salihun?
It's also common.
Yeah, we learned about some signs of some signs of being proper noun. So there is none of that over here. So that's why it is common as well.
Yes.
So it passes all the 4 tests. And that is why now we can with confidence say this is the first word is موصوف, the second is Sifah, and this is a fragment. This is a fragment which is called Sifah موصوف. Simple as that. Thank you, Sister Afia.
You're welcome.
So now we will call it a good Muslim. A good Muslim. Muslimun salihun means a good Muslim. And remember, the order is flipped. Order is reverse when we compare English and Arabic in this case. Okay, now we want to make some changes to it. Okay. I want to say 2 good Muslims. 2 good Muslims. How will I say that? Let me pick someone. Musab Iqbal.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. 2 good Muslims.
Yes.
I want to translate this into Arabic. Okay. So what is the Arabic for 2 Muslims?
The Arabic for 2 Muslims, Muslimani.
Muslimani. Okay, good. And good, what was the translation for good? Salihun?
Salihun, Salihani.
So is this correct or no?
Muslimani, Salihun, I think that's incorrect because it has to match in number as well.
Number. So Salihun is singular, Muslimani is dual. So which test they will fail?
The number.
The number. The numbers will not match. Both are Rafa. Muslimani is Rafa. Salihun is Rafa. Muslimani is masculine. Salihun is masculine. But with respect to number, they won't match. Muslimani is dual. Salihun is singular. So what we have to do? We have to replace Salihun with Salihani. Salihun, Salihan, Salihin, Salihani, Salihaini, Salihaini. The Muslim chart. So Muslimani, Salihani. And they're both common. So they pass the test now. And it means 2 good Muslims. 2 good Muslims. Good. Thank you, Musab. So we go to next fragment rather. Turhan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Good Muslims. We need to translate this into Arabic. Muslims over here means a lot of Muslims, not just 2, more than 2. So what is the word for more than 2 Muslims in Rafa status?
Muslimuna.
Muslimuna. Good job. And the word for good is Salihun. Okay. Is this Sifah Mawsuf or not? Turhan?
It's not.
It's not. So this is not a correct translation of good, the fragment good Muslims. Make the necessary change to make it correct.
Salihuna.
Salihuna. Good job. Muslimuna. Salihuna. Both are Rafa. Both are masculine. Both are plural now. Muslimuna is plural. Salihuna is plural. And both are common. So they pass the test, the 4 tests. And that is why they are both. This fragment is called Sifah Mawsuf. Muslimuna is Mawsuf. And Salihuna is Sifah. And this fragment is called Sifah Mawsuf. Let's continue. A good Muslim lady. Thank you, Turhan. We'll go to somebody else. Emma. Emma, can I?
Yes.
All right. So we translate this. A good Muslim lady.
Muslim lady.
What is the word for Muslim lady?
I think it'd be Muslim. Is the first one Muslim?
What is the feminine of Muslimun?
I am forgot.
No? Okay. That's all right. I'll go to somebody else and then hopefully somebody else will know. Thank you, Emma. Sister Rihanna, could I work with you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Muslimatun. Muslimatun.
Muslimatun. Very good. Muslimatun. Now we need to add the word for good.
Salihatun.
Sorry?
Salihatun.
Okay, so you already, so Salihun will be wrong. Why this is wrong, Sister Rihanna?
Because not match the gender.
Yeah, they don't match the gender. So Muslimatun, Salihatun. Now this is Sifa Mawsuf. Otherwise, they will not match with respect to gender and we cannot call it Sifa Mawsuf. Thank you, Sister Rihanna. Okay. Okay, Ali. Ali.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. 2 good Muslim ladies. How to translate two ladies? We go step by step. Well, how to translate good ladies? 2 good ladies.
Too good is gonna be Salihatani and
Ladies. Muslim, no. 2 Muslim ladies.
Muslimatani.
Muslimatani. Muslimatun. Muslimatan. Muslimatin. Muslimatani. Muslimataini. Muslimataini. So we have to go back to the Muslim chart. Muslimatani. And the next word will be?
Salihatani.
Salihatani. So that would mean 2 good Muslim. And they would match with respect to status, gender, number, and type. All of them. Okay, thank you, Ali. Can I ask Sister Amara, inshallah?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. So the fragment is good Muslim ladies. Now it is a lot of ladies, more than 2, at least more than 2. So what is the Arabic for more than 2 ladies? Muslim ladies.
More than 2 Muslim ladies. It's Muslimatun.
Muslimatun, very good. Now you can translate the remaining part.
Muslimatun, Salihatun.
Salihatun. Yeah. Salihatun. So this is, thank you, sister. So now they match with respect to all the four properties, and then we can say it is Sifa Mawsuf. So it is a very simple concept, very simple concept. One thing, we may not go into the breakout room today, so I will likely consume the whole half hour. So a Mawsuf can have multiple sifas. So Mawsuf will be one, but it can have more than one sifa or characteristics or qualities or describing words. For example, a big, beautiful house. A big, beautiful house. Let's label it with respect to what is sifa here and what is Mawsuf here. Brother Imad. Brother Imad. Are you there, Brother Imad? No. Brother Jawad.
Yes.
Brother Jawad, can you label this? Which one of these words is sifa? Which one is Mawsuf?
So Mosul is house and Sifa is big beautiful.
So, sorry, what is sifa here?
Big beautiful.
Is this one sifa, or we could call it big is one sifa
Big is
and
one.
beautiful is another sifa? Could we
Yeah.
say that?
Yes.
Yeah. So if it was just a big house or a beautiful house, then it is only one sifa. But in this case, there are two sifa. Sifa number one, sifa number two, and house is Mawsuf. So this is an example where it is one Mawsuf and it has two sifa. And it can have more than two sifa. It can have three, four, five. A big, beautiful green house or big, beautiful white house. You know, you add a third characteristic to it. So being white will be sifa number three. So how we would translate this? I can give you the vocabulary. Big is Kabir. Beautiful is Jamilun. And what is house? And everybody should know this. Let me get someone here. Okay. Hiba, can I get your help?
Yes.
House. What's the Arabic of house? Do you know? Well, how to translate house of Allah?
Masjid.
Oh no.
With what?
Okay, I give you the word. Bait. Baitun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Baytullah, house of Allah.
Yeah, Baitullahi, house of Allah,
Yeah.
mudaf ilayh, right? Okay, now you have three words. Can you translate a big, beautiful house?
Kabirun,
Jamilun, Baitun, right?
Jamilun Baytun, just those two words.
Kabirun, Jamilun, Baitun.
Kabirun, Jamilun Baytun.
Will that be correct? Is the order okay?
Oh, so Baytun, Kabirun, Jamilun.
Got it. You got it. Baitun,
Mawsuf was
Kabirun, Jamilun. Yeah. The Mawsuf has to come first. And then it's sifat. It's sifat 1, 2, or how many they are. This is how it happens. Yeah. So Baitun, Kabirun, Jamilun. Good. Thank you, Hiba. Mawsuf, sifa number 1, sifa number 2. Okay, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We're gonna dig deeper into this. Okay. Brother Mia Hamid, inshallah.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. So, Brother Mia Hamid, this is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. B means with, Ism means name. Allah is Allah Ar-Rahman, extremely merciful. Ar-Rahim, always merciful. My question is about this part. Allahi and Ar-Rahmani. Now we need to evaluate, is this Sifa Mawsuf by any chance? This is what we need to do. Okay.
Yes.
So what test we have to do for it?
Oh, we have to see they meet all the four
Properties of ism?
four properties of noun.
Yeah, four properties of noun. Do they match in that or not? So let's do this test for the word Allahi and Ar-Rahmani. How about the status of Lafzul Jalala, Allah?
It's
Rafa Nasab or Jar?
yeah, it's jar status.
Jar status, very good. How about Ar-Rahmani?
Same jar.
So they match. Good,
They match.
very good. So they pass the first test.
Right.
How about gender?
Yeah, it's a single.
No, masculine or feminine?
Oh, sorry, masculine.
Masculine, both are masculine. Good. How about number? Both.
Yeah, it's same single.
They both are
Singular.
singular. All right. How about type?
Type common.
Can you think about that again?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, not proper.
They are proper. Allah. Allah is the name of Allah, you know, it's a proper. Ar-Rahman, it has al with it,
All yes.
right? Al tells us this is one of the signs of being proper. We learned a few signs that make a word proper. So al is a sign of being proper. So both are proper.
Yeah.
So can I say Allah and Ar-Rahman together? They are a fragment and they are Sifa Mawsuf. Can I say that?
Yeah. Yes.
Which one is Sifa? Which one is Mawsuf?
Allah is Rahman is a Sifah. Allah is a Mawsuf.
Mawsuf. Very good. Very good. But there is another word, Ar-Rahim, over here. So
Yeah,
how
this
about
is
that? How about
this
check?
this is also Sifah.
This is also a Sifa. Let's confirm that. What is the status of Ar-Rahim?
It's jar status.
Jar status. How about gender?
Masculine.
Masculine. How about number?
Single.
Single. And type?
Proper.
Yeah, because it has al with it as well.
Right.
So we can say Allah, Lafzul Jalala is Mawsuf. Ar-Rahman is a Sifa. And Ar-Rahim is also a Sifa.
Sifah.
Yeah. So
Right.
as you were saying, this word Lafzul Jalala has two Sifa. Sifa number 1 and Sifa number 2 in Bismillah Ar-Rahman.
Right.
Yeah. So what is this? Ismillahi. We know this. We learned this recently. What kind of fragment is this? Brother Miyamid.
Oh, gee, it's no, so,
You cannot think of anything?
mm,
No, that's okay. That's okay. No worries. No worries.
yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. I can ask somebody else. Brother Talha, what do you think? Ismillahi. What kind of fragment is this? Is this
It's
Sifa Mawsuf?
it's mudaf mudaf ilayh.
Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. How do you know it is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, Brother Talha?
It's the name of Allah.
No. What conditions? Does it meet the conditions? What those conditions are?
Oh,
There are conditions for mudaf, conditions for mudaf ilayhi.
I believe
remember?
The first thing is light,
Mm-hmm. And
it's not beginning with al.
there is no al with it.
Yeah.
So how about the Ismul Jalala, Allah?
Allah. In the end of Allah, we have the jar status.
Jar status. So ism is, the word ism is light.
Yeah.
It doesn't have al with it. And Ismul Jalala, Allah, is jar.
Is
So that's
status.
why we say Ismillahi is
Bismillah.
mudaf ilayh. So we'll put an of in the middle. We will say name of Allah.
Name of Allah. Yeah.
So how you will translate this now? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
With the name of Allah,
Mm-hmm.
the most merciful and the most extremely merciful and always merciful.
Always merciful. So we'll say, so this is mudaf and this is mudaf ilay, and we will say with the name of Allah, Bismillahi, with the name of Allah, who is extremely merciful, always merciful. So Ar-Rahman is Sifah number 1, Ar-Rahim is Sifah number 2. So with the name of Allah, now we describe the two characteristics of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is extremely merciful, always merciful. So this is an example where there was one Mawsuf and there were two Sifah. But there can be more than, in Quran, there will be examples where there will be one Mawsuf only, and then there will be even more than two Sifah. So this is a simple concept of Sifah Mawsuf. Mawsuf comes first, Sifah comes after, and Sifah is describing the Mawsuf. It is telling us something about the Mawsuf. It could be something good, could be something bad. And to be called Sifah Mawsuf, they have to match in terms of all the 4 properties: status, gender, number, type. Only then, if they match, only then we can call them Sifah Mawsuf. If even one of the properties doesn't match, we cannot call them Sifah Mawsuf. So that's where I will stop. And today we have a quiz. So there will be no breakout room, as I said before. We will go into the quiz now, inshallah. Thank you for your attention.